welcome to K1 Science Corner with me, Miss Maria. Today, Wednesday, 5 of August, 2020. And the science for today is ice fishing. Who likes going on a fishing? It's good if you like fishing. So today we are going to do some experiments. And to do this experiment, we are going to need a cup of water, a plate or a paper plate, salt, ice cubes, and a string. First, pour water onto the plate. And pick one ice cube. Then try to pick up the ice cube with the string. It doesn't pick up. Now, let's sprinkle the salt on top of the ice cube and wait for 10 seconds. Try to pick it up. And wow! Do you like our science today? And do you know how did it work? When we sprinkle the salt on top of the ice cube, it freezes quickly over the string. And when this happens, the string can magically pick up the ice. I hope you like our science today. And it's really good if you can try it with your mommy or daddy at home. I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.